line these up, the pencil line. I'm going to poke a hole. When I come through here, I see the hole. I can poke one hole through here and just put a snap in and have it snap in, or I can make it come over, and that way when it snaps in, you have double, so that the elastic doesn't actually fray on you. So we're going to do double. I'll fold it over like that. Okay, so now we have overlap. So now we're going to put the snaps in here, put the snap in here. I'm going to burn these ends real quick. Anything that'll fray, if you don't burn them, it will fray on you. And you're going to have to redo this whole part right here. So now we need snaps. So we're going to need a female snap for here, because we already have a male. We're going to put two male ones here. So now I don't have to work with this one. All I have to work with is the bottom one. So I got this piece, and I got the new handy dandy setter. So when we put this in, we want to come in from the bottom, or I should say we want to put it in from the top, so that the part is to the bottom, because when you go to snap it in, you're coming in from the bottom instead of the top. You're going to have a piece of plastic that's going to be right here. You don't want to try to put this elastic through the elastic and the plastic. It's so much easier just to come in from underneath. So we're going to hammer this in from the bottom. So if you do a lot of snaps, I recommend getting this. It makes snap so much easier. So now you do the other side. So that's in there. You just turn them, move them upside, or whatever. Make sure it doesn't move on you. That's the last thing you want, is it to be loose in there. Now this one, since the other snap is right here, you want to snap it in from this way. So the head is going to come up this way. Put it through one. Put it through the other. Flip this over, and push that on, and do the same thing. Again, you're going to move it, see, it doesn't move, nice perfectly round, and it snaps right in. So now the other side, once we're done putting in the other rivets, then we can glue this side in, and then we can actually glue in these pieces. So now I'm going to do this. Now the tricky part. This one's actually going to take two hands. You're going to have to put the tripod down and put it far away, so you could watch from over there. What I'm going going to do is one of us is going to hold one side, one of us is going to hold the other. We're going to line these up, and we're going to do one at a time, each of the split rivets. We're going to butt this up so that they're nice and flat. So you got that there. Don't push too hard. Don't move. Not move on this. So I'm pushing down to give like a little bit of a bump so I can see exactly where the split rivet is. So I know where to put my hole, and I'll make all 3 holes. Hold this. And I made a hole, a very small one, so I'm going to come through and actually go all the way through. Alright, so now we burn the holes. Now we're going to do one at a time. I'm just going to push it through. He's going to hold the one side. Push it through, put the washer in. Make sure you put the washer in. Believe me, I've done it many times where I got it all the way done, and then like, I take it apart and do it again, but I forgot the washer. And you definitely need the washer to protect your nylon. Alright, so that's 2. Now the third one.
And we use split rivets instead of snaps because of accuracy.
Yeah, I'm making this as accurate as possible. Pretty much every kit I make is accurate as possible. Go ahead and lift it up. So as you can tell, one side is short, one side's long. So like I said, just cut them as long as you want. Obviously you don't want to go too long. So we can sit here and cut it here, and then we can burn them. Or we could just leave them, it doesn't matter. So now let me show you what we've got. So now the right side, or I'm sorry, left side is got the split rivet. The right side, we're about to burn a mark up front and put the snap in right here. So that piece is going to snap in. We already have this put in. We're going to glue this side, and then once those are glued somewhat, then we'll come through and we'll do the part right here. We want this to come up as much as possible, because then it'll look funny leaning down. So that's what this is in here for, to keep this part, not this part. This part stays. This part is what we want to come in. Alright, so now we're going to put the snap in the side. We already have a clamshell on this side. We already have the snap in on this side. We're going to glue it on this side in a minute. So we're going to glue, one side will be glued in. The other side is going to be snapped in. So basically make a line right here for the snap. And then we're going to cut a hole in here. We're going to do the same thing we've done before. Flip it over and make 2 holes. And come in here. This piece is going to look just like that. And then once we got it in, you're going to paint it white. So I'll show you after I actually hammer it down. So hold the armor up for me. So I probably should have did this before I put all the armor together, but it's done. So now you can go ahead and put it to the side. Now we're going to put this one in, and this will be the actually snap that snaps into that. So when I put the snaps in, I always try to put, actually it's the other way, I always try to put these on the inside, the part that I fold over. That way you don't grab that piece by accident and actually yank the whole thing apart. So it's going to snap in. Snap in just like that. And that part will E6000 glue to right there. So it'll be just like that. So when you're done, you just unsnap it and it'll just be sitting right there. Put the piece on, you snap it in. We're going to get the belt first, and then we'll glue that in. Takes about a couple hours for it to really glue good and glue in the top part. But right now we're going to work on the belt. And once it glues for a couple hours, we can put it on them and then get this piece